Hi, Vinay from Weak Competency Tech, and we'll see the use of where and having and how it work. So, for example, we have one table result set, the employee, okay, and I have written here one group by band and some salary, okay. So any field we are using here is having aggregation, any aggregate value like sum, count, average, this kind of. So that column no need to use in a group by. And any field which is not having aggregate any function, those column we need to use in group by, okay. That is why salary I'm not using here. So in this example I'm using group by band, this band, okay, and the sum of salary, okay. So for example, if I'm not using sum of salary, I'm just using salary, okay. In this case I need to use salary here, okay. So if I run this, it will come like this: A, B, C, D, D, E, F, F, okay. Now something problem, 1 minute, let's see. How many times D is there? D1, D2, D3, okay. So when I'm making here group by salary, so this is also getting group, okay. That is why it's coming wrong. So I will use sum, okay. Here salary not required. If I run this, see, A 2 lakhs, B 80,000, C 85,000, D 3 lakhs 50,000, E 6 lakhs, F 5 lakhs, okay. So let me see, there is a how it is working. So this is the table result set. On this we are doing the grouping, okay. So after grouping it will become like this. If I group by A, it will group by this, okay. Fine. Then it will sum like this. So this value is coming right now. This value is coming right now. Fine. Okay. Now in this value, after grouping we got this value, okay. Now I need after grouping. So after grouping where we cannot use, let me write where, okay. where is giving error. See, incorrect syntax error. So after grouping we can use only having band equal to D in a single quote. Okay, it's correct. So when I give this, it is giving 3,50,000. So if I come here, if I give having D, it will give this data. Fine. So here we can say that the grouping is the having is working after grouping. Okay, and the having is applying on group of data. Okay, first grouping is coming, having is working after grouping and getting applied on the grouped data. Okay, one more thing is there, the having scan the table. The having will scan the table. Okay, the having will scan the table, it will not use index, and after scanning it will give this data. Okay, so this is how the having is working. Fine. So having will come always after group by statement. So first grouping is happening, and top of grouped data the having is getting applied. So it is applied on group data, not on each row. Okay, it will apply on group data, not on each row. Now let's use the where. Okay, band equal to D. Okay, so this I can remove here. Now this D where, okay, where we need to use just after form clause. So where we are using here, and this where will get applied on each row. So if I use where, okay, so this is the table. If I use where D, then it will check where is D, 1, then 2 and 3. 3 times it will check, and it will display the result set. Okay, so this is the result set. After that I am doing grouping. So grouping is getting applied after where. So where is working for each row, and where is using index. Okay, where is using index and it is working for each row. Then it is first filtering the D, then after filter the group is working. Okay, so here 3,50,000 is coming. Okay, so value is same, but the work process is different. Okay, where uses the index, Having is scanning the table, where work before group by, having work after group by. Okay. Having applied on group of data, not each row, but where applied on each row, not group of data. Okay. So this is the difference between the where and having. Thank you. So if you like this video, please subscribe the red color subscribe button, and please don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.